Hello friends, today we will continue to learn the Kaala Bala and the next four bulls which we can use to calculate our Abda Bala, Masa Adhipati Bala, Vara Adhipati Bala and Hora Bala. Abda means year, Masa means month, Vara means day and Hora is the time interval at which. So these are the four pillars in which the year lord or Abda gets 15 Sastyamsha, Masa Bal get 30 Sastyamsha Bal, Vara get 45 and Hora get 60 Sastyamsha. So it is from the higher level to the granular level, it increase the from here to here, it is increasing as we go granularly inside it. Abda is the year and Pati is the Lord. So it is Varshadhipati or Abdadhipati Bal. So it is the planet who is the Lord of that particular year. So these are Argana tables which you can refer from your book. I just added here for quick references. So it is the number of days past. 1827 is a reference for us. Using that we continue to. For our computation we use 2nd May 1827 Wednesday as our reference point, and we have to calculate the aharganas till the date of birth, and based on that we do the calculation for Varshadipati, Masadhipati, Varadhipati and slots can be computed using this ahargana. It is the Sishtiyadi ahargana. It is the exact number of days passed since the creation of a calculation specific reference epoch. So 2nd May 1827 is the reference epoch. This is a table which you can refer from the book where the days which we have to use for Argana is given. Then in that we have to accumulate the number of days. For example, the year of birth is 1837 and whatever is the month. So we'll use this as base. Then we'll add the number of month passed. For example, if it is 1st June, so we'll add till here into 1836 to get the Ahargana. It is the table value from X, accumulated month values and days of the birth. So total Ahargana will be calculated using this. So base year plus elapsed month plus target date. These are the three things through which we had the Ahargana. So in our example, 27 May 1961, before sunrise is the birth, till 31st December 1960, 4822 days has passed in Ahargana table. From January to April, it is 4 months, so 120 days. Days in May up to 26th are 26 because it is the birth is on the 27th. So if we add this this, we get 48968. It is 4822 plus 146. 146 coming 120 plus 26. So it is this is our reference Ahargana number. So first thing is we have to calculate the Abdapati or the yearly load. Step 1 is calculate the input using those tables. We get this value. Now we have to divide it by 360 and whatever is the quotient, we have to take that. After taking quotient, we have to multiply it by 3 plus add 1 for current year. If we multiply this, we are getting 408 plus 1, 409 extra days. Then we have to divide it by 7 to find the weekday. It is 3. Since we have to start from Wednesday, so Wednesday is 1, Friday is 3. So 3 comes to the Friday. Friday, the lord of Friday is Venus. So Venus is going to get 15 Sastyamsha point as Abdapati Bal or Varshadhipati Bal. Masadhipati, same number, Ahargana remains same. The formula is we have to divide it by 30 and get the quotient months. So we are getting 1632. Then we have to multiply it by 2 and add 1. So we are getting 3265 days. Then whatever are the days, we have to divide it by 7. Again the remainder is 3. So again we have to start the calculation from Wednesday to Friday. So for this case it is again coming as Friday and the lord of Friday is Venus. So Venus will receive 30 Sastyamsha point as Masadhipati Bal. It has received 15 Sastyamsha point as Varshadhipati Bal. For Masadhipati Bal, it will receive the 30 Sastyamsha point. Varadhipati. Total Ahargana days divided by 7. Again the remainder is 3. So it will be Venus once again. Venus will receive 45 Sastyamsha point as Varadhipati Bal. These are the quick reference point. Whatever will be the input for Abdha, we have to divide it by 360. For Masa, we have to divide it by 30. And Vara, we don't have divided directly here. Then we have to, whatever will be the quotient, we have to use a multiplier rule. For Abda, we have to multiply it by 3 plus 1. For Masa, we have to multiply it by 2 plus 1. These two steps are not required in Vara. Then we have to divide it by 7 in all three cases, and whatever is the value based on the 15, 30, and 45 Sasthyamsha point. For this example which we are using in our video, we are getting Venus as the Lord. Now, next part comes the Hora Adhipati Bala or the Hora. In Hora is a very granular level. Actually, one Hora is approximately 1 hour. It varies based on the season. Whoever will be the Lord, he will get 60 Sasthyamsha point. So, step for calculating the Hora is, if it is a day birth, we have to find the Dinman by subtracting sunset minus sunrise. If it is a night birth, then we have to calculate the night duration or the Ratrima, and then we have to divide it by 12. So in our example, it is 10 hour 19 minute is the Ratriman. If we divide it by 12, so we are getting approximately 51 minute and 35 seconds for one Hora span. To calculate the Hora, this is the basic rule. The Lord of the day will get the first Hora of the sunrise. If it is a Sunday, then the first Hora will be of sun. Second Hora will be plus 6, means Sunday, then from Sunday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Venus will get the second Hora. So here Sunday, Venus is getting the second Hora. Similarly, from Venus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Mercury will get the Hora, and so on. Here we have directly placed the table for reference, and similarly the fifth from the day Hora, who is the lord of day, fifth from that will get the first Hora in the night. It is 12 12 day Horas and 12 night Hora. So night Hora first Jupiter and following that will get. Since it was a Friday night, from this sunset time of birth is 4:20. So if we subtract, we are getting 9 hour 12 minutes. So if we divide it by 1 Hora, so it is 10 point something, means 10 Hora has passed and 11th Hora is in progress. Friday, the 11th Hora is of Mercury. We can directly use our reference table if we don't want to calculate. So on Friday, 11th Hora is of Mercury. So Mercury will receive 60 Sasthyamsha point. Year Lord will get 15, month Lord will get 30, day Lord will get 45, and Hora Lord. The more we go into granular level, it increase the Sasthyamsha points. Year, month, and day Lord all comes to Venus. So Venus will get 90 Sasthyamsha point. 15, 30, 45. And Hora Lord is Mercury, so Mercury will get 60 Sasthyamsha point. Thank you.